Thinking about buying from Daily and Decor? Hold up for a second, because this site is throwing off some pretty serious red flags. After checking it out, Daily and Decor looks like a high-risk online store that I personally would not trust with my money. First, the business address they list points to what appears to be a residential apartment complex in Maryland, not exactly what you'd expect from a legit premium Decor brand. Then there's the weird product data. Some listings actually show completely different store names, like Trendy Home, which usually means it's just a copy-paste dropshipping template. The product images also look like generic stock mock-ups you'll see all over sketchy print-on-demand sites. And probably the biggest warning sign, there are basically zero real customer reviews anywhere. No trusted third-party feedback, no Better Business Bureau profile, nothing that proves people are actually receiving orders. If you already bought from them, contact your bank ASAP and request a chargeback, freeze or replace your card if you entered payment details, and keep an eye out for suspicious emails or texts. Bottom line, Daily and Decor does not look legit enough to risk your money. I'd stay away.